Hello everybody, welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. And I've got to say, today is the Drunken Sailors, one of the Drunken Sailors' most favorite days of the year. It happens to fall on February 22nd in the year 2022. But even more importantly, it is National Margarita Day. We happen to have a couple of margaritas around here from time to time. It's one of our favorite cocktails. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make our favorite version of a margarita. So let's get started. We're going to take our shaker and we're going to need lime juice. But we're going to rock this one out. I'm going to put this aside for now. 1 second. We are supersizing our margarita factory around here. And since we all know fresh is best, we are going to squeeze our very own limes. Oh! We got us a lime pressing factory. Fresh. Because fresh is best, and we are going to use 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. ½ ounce of agave nectar. Next, we are going to use, and this is nectar of the gods. This is a liqueur called Damiana. It's native to Mexico, where tequila grows. It's got a nice woodsy flavor. It's got a very unique bottle. The bottle symbolizes this being the liqueur of fertility. So, careful. Too many Waboritas, you never know what's going to happen. Now, our final liqueur, we need to use our Cointreau. That's going to get 1 ounce. And last but not least, we are putting in tequila. Now, the great thing about Waboritas is you can make a choice whether you want the Blanco or you can use the Repasado. Today we're going to go with the Blanco, the Cabo Wabo Blanco, 2 ounces of tequila. And I don't necessarily know if it's the Damiana that gives the fertility part of this. So there it goes in there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to use 1 large ice cube. I'm going to put that in the shaker. By using 1 cube, a nice slow shake is going to give you a little bit colder cocktail. We're not going to dilute as much. Our cocktail has been shaken, and now we need a glass. So what we're going to do is take our chilled margarita glass we've got filled with ice, dump that ice because we don't want to dilute it. We are now going to take our salt. We are going to rim the glass, and for those of you who are concerned about your health, don't want to cut or want to cut back on the sodium, we are only going to rim 1/2 of the glass. Take our strainer, and give this a pour. Look at that color. Does that look pretty? Well, I'll tell you, there is one way to make this just a little bit nicer looking, and that's our final step. That is the blue curacao. We're just going to take a little bit, and I want to call it a floater, but it sinks right to the bottom. And there you go. Looking a little bit like the Pacific Ocean and Cabo San Lucas, and
I'll take it.
What?
I'll take it.
I did say it was somebody's favorite margarita around here.
That's so good.
What did you say?
That's very good. My favorite.
That's it, folks. The Cabo Wabo Cantina's special margarita, the Waborita. The Cabo Wabo's signature.
How
The
many
Cabo
have you
Wabo's.
had?
The Cabo Wabo's signature cocktail, the Waborita. Remember, enjoy safely, subscribe to the Drunken Sailor, and have a margarita.
Happy Margarita Day.
It's February 22nd, 2022.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Thanks all.